Hey guys, and welcome to my first video. Today I want to speak about which topics this channel will cover. Also, don't get misled by my profile pic into thinking that I say buy Nvidia or some other overvalued stock, because this channel is mostly value investing oriented, even though I will probably mention some trading methods too. I also will probably focus on trading with a computer program written in Python, for example, because that's the only real method I found for making profitable trades, even though I'm still testing my different programs. I will start covering some simple topics like what does the chart in the background represent, which you can see in the video. That chart is called a candlestick chart, by the way. I'll then cover value investing and will give you an Excel or Python program for valuing a company, which I also use for my investments. And I'll tell you about things like revenue, number of shares, and other value investing focused stuff. Maybe I'll explain some methods for trading like day trading and indicator trading, because I've looked at many different methods. I can tell you right now that just watching the theory will probably fail, because I've watched many theoretical methods for investing and didn't make profitable trades, even though I made profitable investments, which is another thing. One important thing I have to tell you before you start trading is don't use real money. I know many people say that, but I emphasize, because I myself used real money and made about €100 loss, which I only made back with my stock investments. And since then, I only trade with virtual money or simulate trades. I'll also cover options, even though I don't recommend trading them, but for investing, they can be useful. Okay, that's it. If you have other topics you're interested about, write a comment, because I'm looking at investing videos and have looked at them for over a year now. And I recommend you to start with an investment, because you can also look at trading videos, but your investment will make you money in the meantime, and you won't waste as much time. See you in the next video. Bye.